Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Man, this one's tugging at my heartstrings. I absolutely love the 65 GTO, and these are my colors. Why I don't buy it, I don't know. Maybe I will, so you better hurry up and get to volocars.com before I do. On our website, you'll find the pricing, full description, photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars. They're all for sale. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the little bell. That way you can be notified as we put these videos of these amazing cars out there. Right now, tops down, it's a tri-power under the hood, a 4-speed between the seats. Let's go for a spin. This is a Pontiac historical, documented, real 1965 GTO 4-speed car. It came from the factory this color. It used to be a black interior. They upgraded it to a white. They also upgraded it to a tri-power. It's original 4-barrel car. But it's got the ride and handling, the quick ratio steering. It's got Rally 1 wheels on it. I think it's a 323 safety track rear end. That's the Pontiac posi. Comes with rally gauges, vacuum gauge on the center console, an aftermarket stereo, power antenna. It just got a lot going for it. I just love the 65 GTO. Very straight car. There are a couple little dents. We've put a call into the dent guy to come and remove them. But overall, straight, solid car. This is not a perfect car, not a body off frame car, but it's great colors, great features, and it's solid. It's not a piece of junk by any means. It's just not a fresh, like nut and bolt restoration. I looked underneath the car, and it's all solid, clean metal, and I said this one's good enough for me. But looking down the sides, they're very straight. And these are long, flat panels. The paint is a really nice, sparkly, deep blue with a clear coat finish, and it's been buffed and polished real nicely. Looks like the original headlight bezels here in real nice shape. The grills are original, but really good. Bumper is 8 out of 10, straight and shiny. Moldings are real nice. Has the Rally 1 wheels with BFGoodrich tires. The windshield looks new. This rubber here is original, does have some cracks in the rubber. This fits real nice here. The emblem looks new. Door handles look new. This is all nice and smooth. Trim on top of the doors is good and shiny. There's a little dent right here. It's a white power top. It's in excellent shape. It was an option to get the rear mount antenna. This is a power antenna. Trunk fits real nice. Nice shiny paint. This is original. This is original. I love these little sleek taillights. Probably not the safest taillight in the world, but they're so sleek and mysterious looking. Has one hairline crack here. That's body stress that the convertibles all get. A couple dents in the trim here. The interior, the front seats have been reupholstered. The boot is reupholstered. The side panels are new. Looks like the rear seat has been dyed. The dash has the Rally gauges. All that's in good shape. Has a retro stereo right in the factory hole with kick panel speakers and speakers in the back. Under the hood is a 400, Pontiac 400 with the tri-power. You have to have a tri-power. For one, it's a lot of fun. When you mash that pedal, you literally hear them other two carburetors open up and you feel them like a turbo kicking in. But you have to have the tri-power because everyone's going to ask you, you got the tri-power under the hood? And you can say yes. I owned one of these once that didn't have the tri-power. I had to go out and get one just so I didn't have to keep telling people, no, it doesn't have it. So the interior, like the rest of the car, it's all good. It's not pristine, but it's good. This is a car you get in, go enjoy it, go drive it. I drove mine quite a bit. That's why I have a soft spot for these. I've had a few of them and I've enjoyed the heck out of them. Giant trunk compartment, all clean metal, spatter painted. It's got a new mat. Has a jack and a spare. Hydraulic pump for the top, and the lines looks like they've been replaced at some point. Weather strip is new. The blue paint under the lid is all real nice. We'll fire it up for you. The ignition's over here on the left. Kind of weird, not what we're used to, but kind of cool. Has the stacked headlights. They went to the side-by-side headlights shortly, the next year. This has power steering. Everything in here is very clean. It's all painted glossy. It all looks proper. The components all look good. They're where they should be. It has a fan shroud, so no issues under here. It has the hood insulation. It's a great car. It's going to look good going down the road, and it's going to feel good going down the road. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact us. We can help the whole process. You can shop from home if you like. We will walk you through the whole car, or pictures, videos, whatever we can do to help with that. Also with the financing, the shipping. We're here to help with all those things. So whatever questions you have, let us know. You can start by going to volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the little bell. That way you see the videos first as we put them out. Thanks for watching, and we've got more to come.